Hello everyone, thank you for watching Mad Trucks with Marcos. Today we are checking out another fantastic Kelderman build. This one is a 2500 Mega Cab in a Delmonico red with the Bravo bumpers on it, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can check out any of our custom truck inventory at cuniscountrytrucks.com. Alrighty guys, like I mentioned, this is a 2500 Mega Cab. If you have never been inside of a Mega Cab heavy duty truck, you need to do so. There's nothing quite like it. And it's one of those things that sets Ram apart from the other makes that you just can't get. Manual transmission is another one of those things. But for starters, this truck has the Kelderman 5 to 6 inch air suspension on it. If you haven't seen our videos of the suspensions on these going up and down and doing different things, you really need to go back and check one of those out. I'm not going to get into all of it right now. I really just wanted to show you guys this truck, let you guys know that we had it available. We have had really good luck selling these trucks all over the country, and we appreciate those customers that have let us earn their business. But yeah, let's talk about this bumper. So one of the things that really works out nice on the Kelderman builds is when they do this is the Bravo series bumper. So it gives you the Rigid Industries fog lights in the corners, you get the 20-inch light bar in the front, and then they relocate the parking sensors if the truck has parking sensors, which this was a Laramie, pretty much a fully loaded Laramie. So it does have those sensors. But the paintwork, and I know, I'm sorry, the truck's horribly dirty right now. Doesn't do it justice at all, but the paintwork is just beautiful on it, matches the factory paint perfectly. It looks like it was something that was painted right next to the rest of the truck in the factory all at the same time. The quality really it's super impressive on the Kelderman stuff, guys. You really need to check it out. But some other stuff they did, I believe they did some work in the headlights on here. Not sure if you can see it very well from the thousands of miles away that you are, but they did the inside of the housing black, and then it's got some nice accents that they did also in the Delmonico red, which again matches perfectly, and it's just a really nice touch that again is going to set these trucks apart from the other ones that you see out there. Of course, the most expensive part of the build was the stubby antenna. Really improves aerodynamics on the vehicles, and you know, helps to keep that that clearance a little low and the overall weight of the vehicle down as well. But yeah, the flares here are a factory option, so the truck was ordered with those from the factory, so very nice, works out nice, helps us get a little more coverage since the wheels and tires do come out a bit, but at the same time, nothing gaudy, no rivets, just nice and clean. As far as wheels and tires on this, so it's got a 20-inch KMC, so that's an XD wheel. Pretty much an off-the-shelf wheel, really good looking. It's a gloss black with the milled accents, very aggressive looking wheel. Definitely looks like it's meant to be on a truck. And then they also did some custom paint work again with the Delmonico red on the center cap there, which is a really nice touch. They did not have to do it. If they would not have done that, nobody would have complained about this truck, but they still did it, and it looks great. We appreciate that. Also, really hard to see. Well, let's start off with this one that's nice and easy to see. Their Kelderman logo, beautifully done there. It's a nice piece of metal, which kind of goes with the theme of all the other stuff they do, which is solid stuff. Down there on the radius arm, or whatever you want to call that, it is black. It's got the red Kelderman inlay in it, which is again done in the Delmonico red. Another nice touch. I mean, you see a lot of SEMA trucks out there where everything matches and it just looks gaudy, but everything done on this truck is very tasteful. You know, I don't think it's going to embarrass anybody driving this down the road. Trailer tow mirrors, of course, you have to have those on a truck like this. They go up nice and easy like that. They are power folding. It is a manual adjustment for the up and down. Power running boards. Of course, I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing those by now, but it does have power running boards on it. I'll say it again, they fit the best on the Rams than on any other truck. It's just the smoothest, cleanest line that there is. On some other trucks, they come out a little bit. I mean, nothing that AMP can do. It's just kind of the way the body lines go, but it fits really nice and clean in the heavy-duty Rams here. And then in the back, you know, you can see from this side, it's got the, oh, I better not get this wrong, I believe it's MagnaFlow. Yeah, MagnaFlow exhaust. It's just basically an exhaust tip. It's a dual exhaust tip. axle back, whatever. We do ship these all over the country, and we do not mess with the emissions on any of these trucks. The drivetrain is basically factory on all of them, but they have 900 foot-pounds of torque, so for most people that is definitely enough. And then going around to the back, we have the matching Bravo Series rear bumper, which is again painted beautifully. I like that on the front and the back you have the red on the outside and the black in the middle. Breaks it up a little bit and it still looks nice. And then we also have the lights down here hooked up to your auxiliary switches, which if you're backing up to a trailer, you're loading, unloading stuff, anything like that, makes it real nice and easy. And then back here we have nice spray and bed liner. Gotta have it. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions on this truck, it is located at our Kunes Country Chrysler location in Elkhorn. More than happy to go over any of the options that are on it with you. It is end of the year time. If you're looking for a tax write-off, this is the best possible scenario for you. Give me a holler, we'll make it happen and get it done by the end of the year. Thank you for watching guys. Have a great day.